Hi everybody, and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily fix missing emails in iPhone Mail application after the iOS 26 update. So, if we have any mails lost, for example, you have done something like that and archived your email mistakenly, we just have to tap these three dots over here, and now we have to tap List View. Here, as you can see, if we tap this button, we can filter by unread and then search for our email. But if you don't see your email there, you can go back and here search if you have any mails in VIP or in Gmail or any other, as you can see itself. Here in our inbox, we do have the 402 emails. If you have lost one, you just have to tap search here and make sure that this email is not here. You will find it even though if you have archived it. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.